Thank you for the opportunity to provide this update on our nationally funded USDA-Specialty Crops Research Initiative, Enhancing Soil Health in U.S. Potato Cropping Systems. I'm Carl Rosen, a soil scientist in the Department of Soil, Water, and Climate at the University of Minnesota. I'm also the project director. This project officially started in September of 2018 and involves 10 major potato-producing states. These include Colorado, Idaho, Maine, Michigan, Minnesota, Montana, North Dakota, Oregon, Washington, and Wisconsin. We also have 24 collaborators from these states, as well as industry and a technical advisory committee. Our primary goal is to establish physical, chemical, and biological indicators of soil health for sustainable potato production. Then identify management practices that can optimize these indicators and increase potato yield and quality. Now, we've broken down this project into 4 main objectives. Each objective is coordinated by what we call a co-project director. The first objective is to enhance potato health, productivity, and quality using management strategies that improve the soil microbiome, as well as soil physical and chemical properties. Dr. Linda Kinkel, microbial ecologist at the University of Minnesota, will be leading this effort. To accomplish this objective, we'll be conducting a series of controlled rotation studies with various treatments designed to suppress diseases and improve soil health parameters. This past spring, we set up 2- and 3-year potato rotations to evaluate the effects of cultivar, rotation crops, carbon amendments, and inoculants on potato yield and quality. It'll take the full 4 years to obtain the results, but we plan to provide updates on our progress each year. The second objective is to determine on-farm soil health-based indicators associated with potato crop health, yield, and quality. Dr. Noah Rosenzweig, a plant pathologist at Michigan State University, will be leading this effort. Participating states have identified 4 commercial fields to evaluate spatial variation in fields with high and low disease pressure. We're also looking at fields where growers are trying different rotations and different cover crops and different kinds of inputs. What we would like to know is whether these areas of the field, how they're affected by pathogens, and how these areas are associated with soil health indicators and the soil microbiome. The third objective is to understand the barriers and successful strategies for getting these practices and technologies adopted by growers. Dr. Chris McIntosh, an economist at the University of Idaho, is spearheading this objectives. Basically, we want to know if the practices we are recommending will be economical for growers to use, and if they are, what other barriers might be inhibiting their acceptance. The final objective is to facilitate adoption of soil health and best management practices by the potato industry. Dr. Matt Rourke, a soil scientist from the University of Wisconsin, is leading this objective. Very simply, we want to get the word out on our findings and promote practices that enhance soil health for potatoes. Once we get enough data from our studies, we'll plan to develop 2 soil health manuals, one for Western growers and the other for Eastern and Midwestern growers. Along the way, we want input from those in the potato industry as well as other partners. This includes our technical advisory team of growers, agronomists, and state experts associated with potato production. You can keep up with our activities on our potato soil health website, which can be found at potatosoilhealth.cfans.umn.edu. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to interacting with you in the years to come.